NCERT Class 9th Chapter 1 Exercise 1.5 Question 2. Simplify each of the following expressions. Part 1. In the first bracket 3 plus root 3 into in the second bracket 2 plus root 2. We solve it like this. We multiply 2 of the second bracket with 3 of the first bracket. This gives us 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Plus again we multiply 2 of the second bracket with root 3 of the first bracket. This gives us 2 root 3 plus we multiply root 2 of the second bracket with 3 of the first bracket. This gives us 3 root 2 plus again we multiply root 2 of the second bracket with root 3 of the first bracket. This gives us root 3 into root 2. On solving we get 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 3 into 2 which is 6, that is root 6. So our answer for the first part is 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 6. We go to the second part of the question. The question is 3 plus root 3 in the first bracket into 3 minus root 3 in the second bracket. So we solve like this. Here we apply the identity a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we solve like this. 3 square minus root 3 square. This gives us 3 square equal to 9 minus root 3 square is 3. This is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer for the part 2 equal to 6. Part 3 of the question, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Here we are going to use the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this gives us root 5 square plus 2 root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 square. This is equal to 5 is root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 equal to 2 root 10 plus root 2 square equal to 2. This is equal to 7 plus 2 root 10. This is our answer for the part 3 of the question. Part 4 of the question, root 5 minus root 2 in the first bracket into root 5 plus root 2 in the second bracket. Here we are going to apply the identity a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So on applying the identity we get root 5 square minus root 2 square. This gives us 5 minus 2. This is equal to 3. This is the answer of part 4th of the question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.